AG Adriano Goldschmied is rooted in design expertise and manufacturing ingenuity. Owned by a company with 40 years of jean-making experience under their belt, AG jeans are crafted in a vertically integrated denim manufacturing facility. This means that from design and cutting, to sewing, finishing and shipping, every step of making a pair of AGs is done under one roof. It all begins with design. AG's original inspiration is the lived-in and much-loved look of vintage jeans. To achieve this authentic look, AG has perfected an aged vintage process. When you combine modern designs with vintage washes, you get quintessential AG. The design pattern is organized according to size and laid out to be cut into fabric pieces. A massive computerized spreader layers premium denim fabric, building a clean stack ready for cutting. Once they're cut, pieces are numbered and bundled and sent to get sewn together. In the sewing area is where modern technology meets handmade craftsmanship. AG's signature embroidered back pockets, which subtly read AG, are created and assembled using micro-precision methods. Each operator tends to one phase of the sewing process, making them a master of that detail. The wet and dry process helps to establish a jean's character. Lasers are often used to clear away surface indigo, and they are the preferred technique for creating destruction, burning whiskering patterns and holes. Some styles are sanded by hand, removing the indigo dye in specific areas, usually around the knees, thighs, and back of the garment. The jeans, along with lightweight pumice stones, are loaded into washing machines for a hot water stone wash cycle. The longer a jean is washed, the more faded it becomes. Whisker patterns are created by folding and crunching the fabric by hand. The jean is heated inside a balloon where it absorbs the embossing, making the 3D design permanent even after years of washing. An assembly line passes the jeans through the oven, where a final bake solidifies the distress into the garment. Potassium permanganate, a chemical that works like bleach, is sometimes applied, lifting the indigo and creating a more lived-in look. Next comes a wash that neutralizes all the chemicals. And now, the jeans are ready for the dryer. After the jeans are tumbled dry, they are hand distressed to achieve the perfect amount of destruction. Jeans are steamed for a wrinkle-free presentation, readying them for the finishing touches. Buttons and rivets are applied, and excess threads are trimmed. Hang tags, pocket flashers, and thermal and leather labels are fastened onto jeans, preparing them for the real world. Many of AG's production methods are environmentally oriented. Jeans are made using ozone technology, a process that reduces water consumption by over 50% while using minimal chemicals and less energy. Eco-conscious fibers, like tencel, which is sourced from eucalyptus trees, are used in many of the fabrics. AG recycles thousands of pounds of denim scraps each week that are then reused as working gloves and padding for new cars. At the end of the day, we make clothing. Clothing crafted from modern fabrics, engineered for smart fits and polished with expert finishes. Jeans to live in and create memories in. Jeans to love.